Good morning. Welcome to camp. We are down in the beautiful southern Utah, just patiently waiting for that sun to get to our campsite. But I want to show you everything that I'm going to eat today while we're camping. I love these videos and I have a lot of really simple, delicious camping meals planned for today. So hopefully you'll get some new ideas for your next camping trip. First up is, of course, some coffee. Just a simple black coffee to start the day. For breakfast, Nick is gonna make these potatoes. He cooks them in the cast iron skillet and they're always just so good. So we're gonna do that with some eggs and probably throw in a little bit of spinach there, butter, my favorite salt on earth. And that's it. It's gonna be a very simple, quick breakfast, but this is honestly the most common thing that we eat for breakfast just in general. Potatoes. Look how small they're cut. But cutting them small like this just makes it so that they actually cook in the pan. You don't need to like boil them or bake them or anything. And they turn out so good. This is the final breakfast. Look how good that looks. Lots of salt. Can you see that salt? So otherworldly. We got to this super cool white rock amphitheater and it is huge, like just this huge bowl of cool rock. I am just obsessed with the sunshine and the warm air. Every time after winter, I just realize how much I've missed the sunshine, the longer days, and just the warmer weather. This is the best thing ever.
Run all the way up the hill, over there.
For lunch, I'm doing, again, a go-to meal for me when it comes to camping lunches is just tuna salad. I love this because it's no cook. I have 2 cans of tuna, some mayonnaise, and then in the actual tuna salad, I'm gonna do some celery and some green onion, and I've already just washed this, so it's kind of ready to go. Normally I do mustard as well, but I didn't bring any mustard. And then I have some lettuce, and I was kind of thinking I would do little tuna lettuce boats and also some crackers to dip into the tuna and salt. So that's what I'm gonna do for lunch. Again, super easy go-to meal for us. 5-minute lunch. It is so good. I'm gonna dive in. Does anyone else love being barefoot? Eventually, I just want to live somewhere where I can be barefoot all the time. Go into stores barefoot, live my entire life barefoot. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm actually going to make dessert right now because I want to cook a Dutch oven recipe, and I just want to have enough time in the day because it still gets dark kind of early. And so I want to be able to make it when I can actually see what I'm doing and show you. So I am making Dutch oven magic bars. I just mixed all this at home. It's a bunch of chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, butterscotch, coconut and walnuts. I'm gonna need some butter and some graham crackers for the crust. This recipe is going to be in my upcoming Dutch oven course. It is gonna be a fun Dutch oven dessert, and then it can be served at room temperature, so it'll be nice and easy just to have it right after dinner. And then I'm also gonna have a snack. Where's the cooler? Hold on. So I'm gonna have this just little Greek yogurt for a quick snack, and then continue to relax at camp before dinner. Dinner is gonna be really good. All right, dessert is going. They're gonna be so good. These smell so good. I'm gonna let them cool because if I tried to cut them now, they would completely fall apart. So I'm gonna let them cool and then we're gonna eat them later. I wish that you could smell these. They're just, whew. It is time for dinner and I have a really easy one pot meal today. So I have jambalaya, this little boxed rice mix. It comes with a bunch of spices and herbs, and so I don't have to pack a ton of different spices, and you can get something that's really flavorful. So I'm gonna use this as my base. And then for the protein, I just have this already cooked chicken sausage. I've talked about this before on my channel, but this is such a great camping meal idea because it's already cooked. So you don't have to worry about handling raw meat when you're camping. So it just makes things super easy. And then to add a little bit of texture, I'm gonna do some pepper and some onion in there and some diced fire roasted tomatoes, and I have olive oil here. So yeah, nice easy one pot meal.
Hungry for the road all my life, thirsty for adventure all my youth, chasing all my freedoms down Liberty Avenue. Every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me, everything happens for a reason. I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, home, home. Just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Nothing like kitchen conversation, steam coming up off the stove. Photographs down the staircase showing our stories unfold. And every time I hear a song,
Everything barely fits in this pot, but yeah, look at that. This smells so dang good. I'm so pumped for this. So I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer on low for about 20-25 minutes until the rice is done.
home, 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 just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, 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 no matter where I go. A little taste of home.
Got a good fire going. Dinner is hot and ready to be eaten. Gonna serve it up, and that's gonna be it for what we eat today camping. As you can see, this was a really easy bunch of meals for the day, so I hope you got some good ideas, and I will see you in the next one.
Just bought my ticket, I pick up the phone. I'm calling to tell you that I'm coming home. Home, 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 I need a little taste of home. Little taste of home, 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 I'm coming home. Home, 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 I need a little taste of home. Home, 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 just a little taste of home. Home, 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 I need a little taste of home.